Yes. After the dance, how are you guys feeling now? Give me one word in the chat. Energetic, excited, great, awesome, fantastic. What is the energy now after the dance? Comfortable, very nice, very good, very good. Do you know why do we start the session with a high note of energy? I told you when you were there in Inner Awakening, I don't know how many of you were there. So, why do we start the session with a high note of energy, with a high note of dance? Because massive energy leads to massive success. If you change your physiology, it changes your psychology. Sometimes, does it happen with you that we are not feeling very good, and at that time, when we start dancing and we change our physiology, it changes our psychology as well, isn't it? And what did Tony Robbins say? I told you that day as well. Tony Robbins says the fastest way to change your emotional state is to change your physical state. Right? Right? The highest energy, the person with highest energy always wins. Always wins. Because success needs energy. Success loves energy. Okay? So I also love energy. You people also love energy. So we have to keep our energy high at all times. Right? So if you want to have success, if you have some goals, some desires, you want to reach somewhere, you want to achieve something in your life, so keep your energy high, because creation doesn't happen in desperation. If your energy is of high, I don't know what to do, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, कुछ चल नहीं रहा है, कुछ मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूं. If your energy is like that, creation is not going to happen. Okay, success loves speed, money loves speed. So those who want to make money, a lot of money, big money. So money is also sitting like this. So first you show me some energy, then I will come to you. Otherwise, I am going to Poonam. I am going to Somya. I am going to Kulvinder. I am going to Shrestha. Okay. So universe is also sitting like this and money is also sitting like this.
Yes.
Right? So keep your energy high. Okay, guys. So what are we going to do today?
Ma'am,
First,
please learn 2 steps for me, ma'am. I don't know dance, but I'm very bad dancer. That's
okay. So
why
you
I
need to
always
learn. Never
yes.
ever use these words that I'm not
Ah,
very good
yes,
at
yes,
dancing.
yes.
See, that is a
Yes,
negative word. So you
yes.
can say, I'm not very good at
Ah,
dancing.
yes.
So
I'm
change
not.
your vocabulary.
Yeah.
So can
Okay,
you
sure,
do
ma'am.
clapping? Can you do clapping? Yes, very nice. Very nice. Do like this. Do like this. Yes. Yes, Kulwinder. So is Funny is a not very good dancer or a good dancer?
She's an amazing dancer, ma'am.
Amazing dancer. See,
Few
you
thanks.
just need to learn few steps, 3 or 4 steps. How to clap, how to do like this.
Yeah.
पंजाबियों का भांगड़ा. Just you need to
Yes.
learn 2-3 steps, and you will be amazing, super duper amazing dancer.
Yeah. Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
and
Thank you.
practice at home. These
Yeah,
three
sure,
four
ma'am.
steps.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, guys, so how we will go ahead. First of all, thank you everyone. Thank you, Shrestha, Kulvinder, Somya, Akshata, Funny, Ashwini. And let me put myself on gallery mode. Akshata, Ishita, Ashwini, everyone. Thank you everyone for joining today's session. You had a choice to be somewhere else, but you chose to be here. That really speaks volume about you. So take your hands like this and pat your back, everyone. Pat your back, everyone, and speak after me. I am amazing.
I am amazing.
I am awesome.
I am awesome.
Awesome.
I am born to shine.
I'm
I
born
am
to
born
shine.
to
I
shine.
am
shine.
born to succeed.
I
I
am
am
born
born to
to
succeed.
succeed.
I am unstoppable.
I'm
I
unstoppable.
am unstoppable.
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं.
मेरा
मेरा
तो
तो
कोई जवाब ही
जवाब
नहीं.
नहीं.
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं.
मेरा
मेरा
तो
तो कोई
जवाब ही नहीं.
जवाब ही नहीं.
Yes, very nice, very nice.
Ma'am,
Now
we
clap
are
for everyone.
Lajawab.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we
very nice,
all are
very nice.
Lajawab.
Yes, we all are Lazawab. We all are born to shine. We all are born to succeed. We all are unstoppable. Okay, guys, so mute everyone so that we can start the session. So today is welcome to day number 0. So first I'll set the context of 2-3 days so that we can start our journey day 1. Okay, so first 2-3 days will be day 0, part 1, part 2, part 3, like that. Okay, so until we don't start day 1. Okay, so till then it would be like day 0 part 1, day 0 part 2, day 0 part 3, right? So first let me set the context of today. So what I will be doing today, because see, awareness is the first step to change. So first we need to see for ourselves, why are we here? Why have we joined? What are we going to do in next 30, 32 or 31 days? What are we going to do? Why we have decided to come here on daily basis for next 30 days? What are we going to do? Why are we here? So first we will set the context. Okay, so what is your intention? Why did we join? So first we will try to understand that. Okay, so what is your intention? Why you have joined? So because if you don't know why you have joined, why are you here, क्यों ज्वाइन किया आपने, सो देर विल बी, इट विल बी ऑफ नो फन कि क्यों ज्वाइन किया इफ यू डोंट नो. सो अवेयरनेस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू चेंज. अवेयरनेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो फर्स्ट टुडे वी विल बी सेटिंग द इंटेंशन that what are we going to do in next 30 days, why are we here. Okay, so how we are going to start, we'll be starting with the wheel of life. So where do we stand in our life right now at present? What is our situation? Where do we stand? Why have we joined these sessions? Okay, so first we will see that. I'll be sharing my screen. So what you have to do, okay, so first you have to make a new notebook, because daily we have to do some practices. I'll be playing one soft small, like very soothing some music. Okay, and on daily basis at the end of the session when I play the music, so you will have to write some gratitude. Daily 8 to 10 gratitude we have to write on different topics. Sometimes about health, sometimes about relationships, sometimes about career, sometimes about like different topics, sometimes for our own self. Okay, sometimes for confidence, sometimes for courage. We will be choosing different topics. But today, first, we will talk about the wheel of life. So, how do we balance our life? Where do we stand in our life? For that, I'll be sharing my screen and you have to draw this wheel of life. First, I want you to draw this wheel of life. Okay, so let me share. Yes. Is my screen visible to all of you? So first, today we are checking that how balanced you are in your life. Okay, so I want you to draw this. This is called wheel of life. So where do you stand in your life? You have to draw this in your notebook. So how you have to draw? You can start from the bigger circle or you can start from the smaller circle. So how many circles are there? So there are total 10 circles on your screen. So you can start from the smaller one or you can start from the bigger one as well. ओके, या तो आप अंदर से बाहर की तरफ जा सकते हो या बाहर से अंदर की तरफ, इनवर्ड टू आउटवर्ड और आउटवर्ड टू इनवर्ड. So in which you are comfortable, like you can draw like that. So but total there are 10 circles. So first you have to draw 10 circles. So once you are done, write in the chat done. So then I'll let you know what you have to do next. Okay, so first draw 10 circles. How balanced you are in your life. So then we will start rating each and every area of your life. Where do you stand in your like different segment of your life? Because that is the first step. Because if we don't know where do we stand right now, how we will go ahead. So today we will set the intention. Because if we are not aware what to do, right? So this is the first step. Draw this. Draw 10 circles. Okay. So after that, you have to divide these circles into 8 segments. 8 segments. How you can draw? You can make a big plus ka sign in the center like that, plus ka sign, and then a multiply sign. जैसे मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन होता है ना, इन दैट वे यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एक प्लस का साइन बड़ा सा एंड देन अ मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन. Basically, you have to divide these circles into 10 different segments. 10 different segments. And then you have to write first segment, health. Second segment, personal growth. Third segment, finance. Fourth segment, family and friends. Fifth segment, career. Sixth segment, fun and recreation. Seventh segment, love and romance. Eighth segment, spirituality. Yes, done. Okay. Okay, so first you have to draw it completely. 8 circles, then plus ka sign, then multiply ka sign, and then you have to write down in each and every segment what is health, what is personal growth, what is finance, what is family and friends, career, everything, whatever is written in purple color. Okay, so you have to write down 8 different segments. Then I'll let you know what you have to do. So these are the different segments of our life. So basically, this is our life. We are, dividing our life into 8 different segments. So this is all about finance. This is all about personal growth. 8 areas of life, 8 segments, 8 different elements. Done?
Yes, ma'am. And what to do with, ma'am, that black dot?
No, that you don't have to do
To
anything. That I will let you know what you have to
yeah,
do.
thank you.
Okay, so you can make it colorful as well. You can see on my screen. So you can make like later on also, like you can fill it with colors as well. If you feel like drawing and making it beautiful, if you feel like let me bring my inner child out, so let me make this beautiful. Or you can draw it later on with the help of compass as well. Compass also. Okay, so I would like to see some of you, like how you have drawn. Let me see. Who would like to show me? Who would like to show? Yeah, Shrestha. Okay, let me put you on the spotlight. Yes. Yeah, Shrestha, show me once again. Yes, very nice. Can you guys see? Who else would like to show me? Who else would like to show me? Okay, Kulvinder. Yes, show me Kulvinder. ये थोड़ा सेंटर में लाओ, थोड़ा सेंटर में. अच्छा, आपकी बैकग्राउंड लगाओ ना, इसलिए आपका क्लियर. यस यस यस, इट इज विजिबल विजिबल. वेरी नाइस. ओके.
I can remove my background, ma'am, if you want.
No, it's okay, fine. I also did it once when I started my journey, journey of personality development 2 years ago. I did this with my mentor. Okay. And after that, I started doing it after every 2, 3 months so that I can check my progress. So, what we will be doing? So, first, we will be doing it today. And after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, whenever you feel like, you can check your progress by looking at this picture again. Again, you can draw this wheel of life and then we will put the dots. Where do we stand? Okay, so let me show you once again. Okay, so then you will get to know. Now we have to start giving the marks. So let's say first talk about personal growth. Personal growth. Okay, so in personal growth, or first we start with health. Okay, health is very easy. Everybody can understand like what is health. So where do you stand in your health? So do you feel like your health is super duper fine? You are super duper awesome. There is no problem. There is no disease in your body. You are fit. You are energetic. You are fine. Like how do you feel when you get up in the morning? How is your energy? Weight gain. Okay. Okay. So now what you have to do is you have to put a dot. If your health is super duper amazing, so it will be near about, you can give yourself 7, 8, 9 or 10 according to your health. So how is your health at present? 10 on 10 or 10 may say 9 or 8 or 7, or you have a lot many diseases, or you feel very lethargic every time, you don't feel like doing anything, you have some kind of diseases in your body. Okay, so then it will be like no need to write in the chat, you have to put a dot. Have you seen the dot in that? So let me show you once again. So can you see these dots? So health में, like somebody has given, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ये 7 पे आपका ये dot लगा हुआ है. Okay, so you have to put a dot. It could be 8, 9 or 10 as well, as per your health, कि आपकी health कैसी है. Got it everyone, what you have to do? And that is for your health. How many marks would you like to give for your health? How is your health right now? Do you feel energetic? Or you feel lethargic all the time and you don't feel like doing anything, no energy, you don't take balanced food, you don't take nutritious diet, or you don't drink a lot of water, you don't feel hydrated. हर टाइम मतलब थके थके से ऐसे लगता है, आपको फील होता है, ओके, और यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डिजीज, सो इट विल बी नियर अबाउट 1 2 3 4। और अगर ओके ओके है, सो 1 2 3 दैट मीन्स यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग अ लॉट। 4 to 6 that means it's okay okay but need improvement. 7 to 8 it is good, and 9 to 10 that is awesome, amazing, no problem at all. Okay, on that circle you have to put a dot. Now personal growth. What about personal growth? Are you growing every single day? Are you learning new things? What about your self love? What about your self growth? What about your self esteem? What about your self worth? How worthy you consider yourself? So see for yourself. Are you growing? What about your personal growth? How seriously do you take to your personal growth? Are you growing or you are dying? If you are struggling for your personal growth, give yourself 1 to 3. And if you need improvement, 4 5 6 7 8, that means good. If you need improvement, 4 to 6. And 9 to 10, okay, I am fully grown. I love myself a lot. I am like worthy. My self esteem is also very high. Okay, so that you are you growing? That means are you learning on daily basis? Do you consider yourself as a student? Are you a lifelong learner like me? Are you learning something, reading something, growing on daily basis? So see for yourself. That is called your personal growth. Are you growing personally? So mark yourself, rate yourself. 1 being lowest and 10 being highest. Okay, the next one. What was the next one?
Yes.
Yes,
Finance.
Finance.
finance. So, where do you see in your finances? How are your finances? Are you earning? Are you making money? How much money you are making? Are you satisfied or you are not satisfied? You are struggling to make money. So, see for yourself. Or finances, if you are not earning, are you fully satisfied whatever money you have at your place? You don't need any more money. Like I am fully sorted. मुझे तो कमाना ही नहीं है, मुझे कुछ करना ही नहीं है. माई हस्बैंड इज अर्निंग अ लॉट, आई डोंट हैव टू डू माई फाइनेंसेस आर सॉर्टेड. I have a big bank balance. I have a lot of money at my home as well. Like I no need to think about any finance at all. Okay, so in that case, like you can give yourself 7, 8, 9. So you have to see for yourself. Okay, so if you are struggling a lot, in that case, yes. Are you satisfied with your income? Do you save money regularly? Or are you free from your, financial issues and all? Can you manage unexpected expenses? Or do you have multiple sources of income? All these things come under finance. Are you moving toward your financial goals? Or do you feel abundant instead of worried about money? Or overall, like how financially secure do you feel? How secure do you feel financially? Okay, so you have to see for yourself. If you are fully secure, give yourself 8, 9, or somewhere 10, or you are struggling, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you feel like. Okay, next is family and friends. Are you putting the dot? So you have to put the dot. After that, you will get to know where do you stand. How does your life look like? Okay, so now the next one is family and friends. Family and friends. Do you have a loving relationship with your family? Do you have beautiful relationship with your friends, family members, your loved ones, your relatives? Do you spend quality time with them? Do you have time for them? Do they have time for you? Or do you have supportive friends, those who support you, or family member, those who support you, who love you, who respect you? Can you openly share your feelings with them? Do you have those kind of friends in your life to whom you can share each and everything? You feel supportive. Do you feel respected and valued? Do you feel respected, valued? Do you enjoy being with your family? Is there peace in your relationship? Or overall, how happy you feel with your family and friends? Are you feel contented, or are you feeling like do you feel contented, Or do you feel supportive? Do you feel satisfied? What do you feel? If there is no problem at all, give yourself 9 or 10. If you are struggling to make friends and like you don't speak with your family and your family also doesn't want to speak with you, so in that case, you can give yourself 1, 2, or 3, right? Now, next is career. Are you guys putting the dot? Do you know how you have to put the dot? Okay, very nice. Now, the next segment is career. Career. Do you enjoy at your workplace? Do you have a beautiful career? कैसा है आपका career? Do you enjoy being there? Are you growing professionally? Or do you feel motivated every day? Are you improving daily? Like your skills are improving. Are you learning related to your, career? Like some of us are coaches. Are you learning new things at a workplace? Do you feel satisfied कि नहीं यार, I am growing, growth is there, right? Are your skills improving? Do you feel appreciated at your work? Does your boss appreciate you? Do you feel appreciated? Or are you working towards your dream career? Are you satisfied? जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ ना, that is really awesome, beautiful. I have beautiful career. Does your work give you satisfaction? Like overall, how fulfilled you feel in your career? If you are struggling in your career, nobody likes you, your boss doesn't like you, your colleagues don't like you. Okay. So in that case, like you have to see where you have to put the dot, right? Now, the next one is fun and recreation. Fun and recreation. So you better understand what is fun and recreation. Okay. So how is your life? Do you have fun and recreation in your life? Yes, Somya, why are you so sad? Somya is looking like this. Yeah, Somya, do you have fun, recreation in your life? Do you love your life? Do you have fun? Do you play games? At weekends, do you love to watch movies with your family? Or do you spend time with your friends? Okay. Recreation, games, shopping. Do you make time for yourself? Do you enjoy your hobbies? Do you laugh every day from the bottom of your heart? और वो सब छोड़ दिया बचपन में? Do you laugh a lot? That is called fun and recreation. Do you take regular breaks or vacation, or do you travel a lot, like on summer vacation or winter vacation? Not every time, but at least summer vacation, winter vacation. Do you love to travel? Do you feel your life is enjoyable? Do you spend time doing things you love? Or do you have a healthy work-life balance? So overall, how much joy do you experience in your life? How much joy, fun, recreation you have in your life? So if you don't have any kind of fun or recreation in your life, give yourself 1, 2, or 3. If you are struggling for recreation, if you are struggling to laugh, कि हंसी नहीं आती, सारा दिन वो रोटड़ी शक्ल बना के ऐसे मतलब घर पे बैठे रहते हैं और दूसरों को भी दुखी करते रहते हैं, काइंड ऑफ. हाउ इज योर लाइफ in the area of fun and recreation? Now, next is love and romance. Love and romance. So, do you have love in your life? Do you have romantic relationship with your husband? Does your husband love you, or do you love your husband? How is your romantic life? Are you happy in your relationship? Or if you are not in relationship with your own self, how is your relationship with your own self if you are not married? If you are not married, so how is your relationship with your own self? Okay. Or let's say if in future you want to, what kind of relationship do you want to have? Do you have some kind of pictures and like I want to have that romantic relationship with my would be kind of? So what is that image in your mind? Are you fully satisfied? So those who are not married in that case, so they can feel like that. They can see like that. So can you communicate openly with your husband? Is there trust in your relationship? Do you feel emotionally connected? Or do you resolve conflicts respectfully? Or do you fight every single day? क्या आपके लड़ाई झगड़े ही चलते रहते हैं हमेशा? Or are you satisfied with your love life? So overall, how fulfilled are you in this area? So if you are single, no problem. So you can see for yourself how much do you love yourself. आप खुद से कितना प्यार करते हो? So answer these questions based on self-love or readiness for healthy relationship. Those who are 20 to 25 years of age. If you don't have any love, or you don't feel respected, you don't feel loved, you don't have romance in your life. So 1, 2, 3, or you are fully satisfied, you are fulfilled in your life. So 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are complaining and condemning always, okay. So you will be giving 1, 2, or 3 if you are not satisfied. If you are always complaining, so 1, 2, 3, right? So that's where they are 1 being lowest, 10 being highest. Now, spirituality. Some of you will get it, some of you will not get it because there are not everyone is like very spiritual. So, what is the meaning of spirituality? Spirituality, and if you don't understand, so spirituality and personal growth could be like somehow same for some of you. Okay, but spirituality means do you feel grateful for your life? Like, are you happy in your life? Like why we are here, so that we can learn how to be grateful. Are you grateful in your life? Do you feel grateful in your life? Or do you have inner peace? आपकी लाइफ में पीस है क्या? So that is called spirituality. Are you growing? Like जैसे कहते हैं ना कि इनर, आपका इनर, आप अंदर में, लाइक यू आर, डू यू फील फुलफिल्ड इनसाइड, नॉट आउटसाइड, इनसाइड? Do you
Inner
meditate or
peace.
pray every single day? Do you pray regularly or meditate? Yes, Akshita?
Inner peace.
Yeah,
I said
inner
inner
peace.
peace.
Yeah, inner peace. Do you have that inner peace? Do you do some kind of inner work like meditation or pray to God, going to temple? So these people are like spiritual people. They love to do some kind of inner work. Do you feel connected to the higher power, to the God? Do you believe in higher power? Do you forgive yourself or others? खुद को माफ कर पाते हो या फिर दूसरों को माफ करते हो? दोज पीपल आर लाइक वेरी स्पिरिचुअल पीपल. डू यू लिव अकॉर्डिंग टू योर वैल्यूज, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर वैल्यू सिस्टम? और ओवरऑल हाउ पीसफुल एंड स्पिरिचुअली connected do you feel? So we are not here to judge anyone, or we are just try to become aware, because awareness is the first step to change. It's very important to be aware so that we can set some intention, like in next 30 days in which area we have to put more effort, right? So we are not judging anyone here. So everybody has their own journey. It's okay, perfectly fine. So which area has the highest score and which area has the lowest score? Okay, so now, yes, now what you have to do. Okay, let me share my screen again. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Is it visible? So now what you have to do. So see, so in this picture also, are you able to see some dots? So these are some dots, black dots. So now what you have to do, you have to take your pen and you have to join the dots like this. So see, like I'm joining the dots. So in this way, you have to join the dots. In this way, like the way I am also joining. Okay. So you have to join the dots. Yes, this is the way you have to join the dots. Have you guys joined the dots, all the dots? In this way, you have to join the dots. Okay, so now I would like to see. Now I would like to see some of you. See, this is my life. So this is how my life looks like. See, this is my life. Okay. So I would like to see some of your lives now. Okay, so Shrestha, I'm putting you on spotlight. Yes. Oh wow. किसका मैप है? ऑस्ट्रेलिया का, इंडिया का? किसका मैप है? सी दिस इज हाउ डज योर लाइफ लुक लाइक. How does your life look like? See, this is your life, Shrestha, right now. And I would like to see Somya's life as well. And funny, Akshata, everyone, get ready with your life. I would like to see some of you. Yes. Funny, see, this is your life. This is your life. Did you understand that? What I'm trying to say? Yes. Kulvinder, what about you? Show me your life. See.
Is it visible, ma'am?
हाउ टेढ़ी मेढ़ी अप एंड डाउन. टेढ़ा है पर मेरा है. इट्स
Difficult to
ओके फाइन.
balance, ma'am.
टेढ़ी मेढ़ी लाइफ है पर है मेरी है. जो है दिस इज द रियलिटी ऑफ योर लाइफ. सो नाउ यू नो दैट वेयर डू यू स्टैंड.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how your life looks like. Okay.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am. Love and relation, I have one doubt, ma'am. Love and
Hmm.
relationship, actually,
Love and romance.
love and romance.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. In this situation, both are, I mean, love each other, but
Hmm.
responsibilities. Always we are talking about the responsibilities. So
Hmm.
kids, about kids or in-laws, responsibilities only we committed. This
Hmm.
kind of
No, romance is romance.
Okay.
Do you love to spend time with each other? At weekend, do you go for movies? वो हाथों में हाथ डाल के kind of. Kind of, that is called romance.
Okay.
How is your life? Is it romantic or not? It's not about always talking about responsibility. It's
Okay.
not like if you are not fighting. That is
Yes,
also,
ma'am.
that is not romance. Romance is like, do you have love? Do you feel respected?
Yeah.
Do you have some moments in which you feel like, wow, this is the man of my life? You are amazing. जैसे वो शादी से पहले वाला प्यार होता था. समटाइम्स एट वीकेंड, समटाइम्स डू यू फील लाइक दैट और नॉट?
Okay. Yeah, understand.
Okay.
Thank you.
So that is called. Okay, so now everyone knows what is the halat of your life. So let's suppose you are driving a car and this is the wheel of your car. It could be Ferrari, it could be Lamborghini, it could be, BMW, whatever car you are driving. But this is the wheel of your life. How would be your life if you are driving the Ferrari but the wheel is like this only? So now look at one more time at your life. Now I want you to see in which area of your life. So you have to pick up 3 or 4 areas in which you have scored very less marks. Very less marks like 2, 3, 4 जिसमें आपका बहुत, जिसमें बुरे हालत हो रखे हैं. Okay, so you have to write down 3 or 4 areas जिसमें आपने बहुत ही कम मार्क्स अपने आप को दिए हैं. लेस देन 4, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Pick 3 or 4 areas. Pick 3 or 4 areas. Abhi to just look at the picture and in which you have given less than 4 marks, you have to make a list of those 3 or 4 areas. And out of these 3 or 4 areas, you have to pick one area in which you feel like if I don't improve in this area, मतलब लाइफ की गाड़ी आगे नहीं बढ़ने वाली. यू फील लाइक इफ आई डोंट वर्क इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया ना, लाइक इसके बिना नहीं चलने वाला. So you have to pick one area which is going to be your priority in next 1 month or in next 3 months. कि इसके बिना तो काम बिल्कुल नहीं चलने वाला. I have to give it first priority. I have to keep it on the first priority. It could be anything. It could be health. It could be a career. It could be finances. It could be your personal growth. So see for yourself in that picture. Make a list of 3 or 4 areas in which you would like to work in next 3 days, next 3 months. But pick one area which is very, very important. You want to give it the first priority. What should be given the first priority out of these 3 or 4 areas that you have to keep at the top? कि इसके बिना तो भाई बिल्कुल काम ही नहीं चलने वाला. So you have to pick one.
Ma'am, so it's not about the area which we have got very less marks, right? That we have to choose.
No,
It
no,
is
no, no,
just
no.
about you give the importance.
No, in this 1 month you want to give priority. What should be your first
Okay.
priority out of these 3 or 4 areas that you have to keep separately, or you have to keep it at the top, and you have to make it bigger. उसको बड़ा बड़ा bold उसमें लिखो and circle it that this is
Okay.
my 1 month goal, and rest of the areas are my 3 months goal. 3 months goal. What is your 1 month goal? Because see, we need to shift our identity for one particular goal. You know, if we will start working on all the areas, so it is like, you know, I want to make 10 lakh rupees. If I make it bigger, let's say I'm writing I want to make 10 lakh rupees and I want to reduce 10 kg weight as well. So but what is your first priority? If I'm writing all those things, but it is not possible for me, first I will have to build the muscle for one. Okay, I'll have to build the muscle for one. If I'm not making the muscle for one, I will be मसले जाओ, मैं मसली जाऊंगी. Okay, so first I have to build a muscle for one only. If I am writing 10 lakh rupees and I am daily looking at 10 lakh rupees, instead of getting inspired, I'll get expired. मैं expire हो जाऊंगी, मसली जाऊंगी, right? So first you have to focus on one thing. Focus on one thing. Okay, so what is your first priority? Now, instead of making it bigger, जैसे whatever like priority you have in your life, it could be career or health or कुछ भी, जैसे आपने let's say 10 kg वेट करना है, ओके, वो आपको 3 महीने में करना है या 6 महीने में करना है. Now you have to make it smaller because we are building the identity. Now we don't have that identity. So how we can build the identity for that? First, we will have to start working on our routine. What is our routine? If we are working with the same routine, there will be no change because nothing changes if nothing changes. You cannot create the new reality with old mentality. अगर आप वही old उससे काम करते रहोगे, you will not be able to create any new thing in your life. Nothing changes if nothing changes. अगर कुछ change ही नहीं हो रहा, if you are same, if you are doing the same thing again and again, you will see the same life. Same me will create same life. Different me will create different life. If I want to create a different life, I will have to be different. Because same me will create same life. So for that, I will have to start building my new routine, my new identity. With old identity, you will create the old identity only, old reality only. वो new reality create करने के लिए, you will have to become different. You will have to start working differently. So what differently you are going to start? What differently? What new routine? So let's say you have to reduce the weight. अभी मैं health की बात कर रही हूँ. So whatever is your area, so you have to see for yourself. Accordingly, you have to make the goal. Okay. So if I want to reduce 10 kg, okay, so that is my 6 month or 3 months goal. So how much weight I can reduce in this particular month? And how much weight I can reduce in this particular week? And for that, what I will have to start and what will I have to stop doing? What I have to stop doing, what I have to start doing. आपको क्या, ये सभी क्वेश्चंस यू प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. ओके, सो बिगर गोल को आपने क्या करना है? स्मॉल गोल, मेक इट शॉर्टर, मेक द स्मार्ट गोल, नॉट बिगर वन, द स्मॉल गोल. नॉट 3 months का और 6 months का, 1 month का आपका क्या गोल है, फिर उसको 1 week का आपका क्या गोल है, पहले 3 months का, फिर 1 month का, देन आपका 1 week का क्या है. And now what is that next step that you are going to take? So let's say I am the coach. Okay, I am the coach and I want to make 1 lakh rupees per month easily and effortlessly, consistently. मुझे ये 1 lakh वाला तो बिल्कुल छोड़ना ही नहीं है कि मुझे बनाना ही बनाना है. For that, what is going to be my next step? अगर मुझे कंसिस्टेंटली हर महीने 1 लाख रुपया एंड में मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए, सो व्हाट विल आई हैव टू डू? today, not tomorrow. Today, what will I have to do? Okay, I will have to start posting on social media. Insta reel daily for consistently 30 reels I will have to make. I will have to post it on social media. Okay, from there I'll have to start. I will start getting some leads. I will start giving them one to one. Then I will be closing them. Okay, so that is going to be my next step. But if I will see, I will make a bigger goal. मुझे 10 lakh बनाना है. I will see and यार होने तो वाला नहीं छोड़. होने तो वाला नहीं छोड़. और वो साल निकल जाएगा, 2 साल निकल जाएंगे, 3 साल निकल जाएंगे. आई विल नॉट बी टेकिंग द एक्शन. Because what is overthinking? You are thinking and 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 thinking. And you will get expired. Over analysis leads to paralysis. Right? So what we have to do? What do we do? So now normal people, what do? We get ready. We get ready and we aim. Okay, so now we are aiming. Aiming. Throughout our life, we will aim. And we will not be taking the first step. We will not be doing anything. But instead, what we have to do? We have to get ready and fire. Fire. Ganda ghatiya kaam, but kaam. I always say to my one-to-one students ki ganda ghatiya kaam. G and J. गंदा घटिया ज्यादा जल्दी. डू इट. टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप. व्हाट आई हैव टू डू टुडे. मुझे आज के आज, अभी के अभी क्या करना है, बिना सोचे. फर्स्ट आई विल डू, देन आई विल डू समथिंग. फर्स्ट आई विल हैव टू टेक दिस फर्स्ट स्टेप, वट एवर आई हैव रिटन. I will have to stop doing something. What I will have to stop doing? Scrolling the Insta, scrolling Facebook, scrolling, wasting time on social media. So कुछ तो आपको करना बंद करना पड़ेगा ना. Something I will have to delegate to my maid कि मुझे ये नहीं करना, मुझे ये काम पसंद नहीं करना, मुझे ये काम अच्छा लगता है. I have to do this. So this is the work that I am aligned with, and that is the work I am not aligned with, that I can delegate. Something you will have to delete. Thank you dear. Something you will have to delete. कुछ आपको delete करना पड़ेगा. ये तो मुझे बिल्कुल करना ही नहीं है. जैसे कि scrolling the social media. That I don't have to do. Because this is the resistance. ये मेरे काम में मेरा resistance है. You will have to remove the resistance. Right? Either distractions or decision. You cannot go with both. All these things are distractions only. मैं ये भी कर लूं, वो भी कर लूं. Not a single person can do all the things together. Start from one thing at a time. There is a book called One Thing. If you want to read, you can read that as well. There is a book, One Thing at a time. एक चीज पे फोकस करो अभी के लिए, 1 महीने के लिए. What is your intention for this particular month? Because we are going to focus. Focus is very important. So are you ready to invest your time, money you have already invested. So time, money, focus, energy. Okay. So you will have to invest all those things.
Ma'am, one query is there.
Yeah.
How we can make it specific about spirituality? Like for
Spirituality, you want to
reducing-
grow spiritually. So you can start reading some spiritual books. You can start going to, if you go to any temple or gurdwara, wherever you go. Okay, so you can start doing some inner work. Like you can be more grateful. That we will be doing on daily basis. Okay, so you can
we can
start
fix
being
a
more
time for
grateful.
meditation.
Grateful to each and everyone. So till now, what we were doing, we were blaming, complaining, criticizing people because of this, because of that, because of him, because of her. What we were doing, blaming, complaining, criticizing, judging. The area in which we are judging people are the areas we are judged. जहां पे हम लोगों को जज करते हैं, वहीं पर ही लोग भी हमें जज करते हैं कि देखो वो कैसे बोल रही है, कैसे वो कर रही है. हम भी उन्हीं एरियाज में ही जज किए जाते हैं. The areas in which we judge others, we are also judged by people in those same areas. And that is the truth. Because I have been there, I have done that. So that's why I know all these things.
Right, ma'am. But my question is, like regarding health, we can make a goal that within 10 days or within a month, I have to reduce 10 kg. But in spirituality, which kind of specific goals we can make?
So inner
Like
work,
for,
like you will start your day with the gratitude. Okay.
okay.
The moment you get up, the moment you wake up, not even get up, the moment you wake up, you sit
Hmm.
properly and you start being grateful, like the way I do. Thank you, God. Uh, okay. Wait a second. I only forgot. Thank you, God, that I'm awake. Thank you, God, that I'm alive. Thank you for Jannah sleeping beside me. Thank you for my pillow. Thank you for my bed sheet. Thank you for my mattress. Thank you for my bed. Or each and everything when I get up. Okay, so thank you for the switch. Thank you for my bathroom ka door for my privacy. Thank you for my water. Thank you for wash basin. Like for each and everything, for 5 to 10 minutes, I do like that. So this is also one of the spirituality. This is also called, inner work. Yeah, slowly, gradually. Ishita, it is not 1 day work or 2 day work. So you will have to build the muscle. So that's why I told you, not 3 months, not this month. मैं आज क्या करने वाली हूँ? So what did I learn today? जैसे आपने आज ग्रेटिट्यूड सीखा, द फर्स्ट डे व्हेन आई विल गेट अप, सो आई विल स्टार्ट बीइंग ग्रेटफुल.
मैम
डिसिप्लिन वो तो करने से होगा धीरे धीरे. इफ यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट फॉर कंप्लीट 30 days, slowly gradually you will be able to build your muscle ना, कि नहीं यार मुझे तो करना है, then you will be habituated of that. वो then it will start coming automatically. उसके बिना आप बेड से नीचे ही नहीं उतर पाओगे. मैं बेड से नीचे ही नहीं उतर पाती हूँ, क्योंकि दैट इज मैंडेटरी फॉर मी. I'm super duper grateful that I'm awake. I'm super duper grateful. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I am alive. Thank you for the new day. Thank you for sunlight. Thank you for the water. Thank you that I'm breathing. Like these small, small things. Yeah, Shresha?
Ma'am, I have seen one thing in my life that yes, if I have started anything like just focus upon like career or personal growth. Just take an example. I am working up on like advanced Excel and
Hmm.
having other contract drafting classes with it. And
Hmm.
when I do that career perspective works now, I
Hmm.
cannot make concentration on my workout or weight loss or making stuff for dieting.
Hmm.
Yes, you were perfectly right that one thing is important, start from one thing. But
Hmm.
now this is the criteria. I have to look upon finance, I have to look upon career, personal growth, and I have
Hmm.
to look upon weight loss because in Feb I have to get married,
Hmm.
which is
So
like,
for that, Shrestha, I can give you the solution right now, but you won't be able to do that because you don't have the muscle to do that. So what you will have to do, first you have to be grateful for whatever you want. You will have to start doing it right now as if you have already achieved it. कि जैसे कि आपको वेट लॉस करना है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी अचीव्ड. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल दैट आई हैव रिड्यूस 10 kg वेट. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल दैट आई एम डूइंग एक्सेल इन दिस एरिया. आपको उसके लिए पहले से ही ग्रेटफुल होना पड़ेगा.
yes,
So all these things we are learning when we will start reading this book, na? When we will start reading, so this book will tell you each and everything, how you have to start doing, how we have to be grateful. So slowly, gradually, we haven't started yet. Okay, so you will get your answer. You will get your answer. Okay, but first you start being grateful for what you already have, and rest of the things around you will automatically change. Will automatically change. Okay. Okay, guys, so it's already 9:56, and now I want we should start the book. At least few pages, 2 or 3 pages, we can read, and then we will read next tomorrow. Okay, so we have to start by today. Okay, so today first we will start. But now you have one particular area in which you have to work for next 30 days. In that particular area, you have to show more gratitude. More gratitude, the area in which you want to see the improvement. In that particular area you have to be more grateful. जिसका करियर है, you have to be more grateful for career. जैसे आपकी बॉस के साथ नहीं पड़ती, let's say, suppose I'm super duper grateful for my amazing boss. कि आप क्या उसमें देखना चाहते हो कि वो क्या करे, तो आपको उसके लिए ऐसे ग्रेटफुल हो रहा है as if it is already there. My boss is so nice, he is so awesome, she is so amazing, he or she, whosoever it is. Okay, so that you will learn slowly, gradually. Okay, so now I have given you small hint that how we have to go ahead. So you have chosen your one area. So now intention is set that I have to do gratitude for this particular area. Okay, so later on, once you have achieved that, then you can change the area. Change the area. So that's why I have told you to pick 3 to 4 areas. So that once you start working on first area and it is fulfilled, and then you can go to the another area. Okay, but something should be there in the beginning, because awareness, if we are not aware कि हम करने क्या वाले हैं, क्यों करना है, कैसे करना है, किसके लिए करना है. Okay, so now we have that intention. Now we are aware that what we have to do. Okay, so here we go. Now we will start reading the. Oh, no. This is not the book. This is the book. Yes. Is my screen visible? Is it visible? Okay. So this is the book, The Magic. Okay. So you will have to purchase this book by your own. And I will also share the PDF in the group. Okay. I'll share the PDF in. This is the book, The Magic. Magical book, the book that has created magic in my life. Okay, so in last 1 or 2 years, whatever you can see around me. So first let me tell you my story as well. 2 years ago, my relationships, my emotions, I like each and everything was totally messed up. My relationship with my in-laws for complete 20 years. My relationship was not good with my in-laws, with my husband. मतलब हमेशा ही कुछ ना कुछ चलता ही रहता था, खिच पिच, कभी उनकी तरफ से मेरी तरफ से. एंड आई वॉज लिविंग इन अ रेंटेड हाउस फॉर कंप्लीट 20 years. And this is the house in which I am living, that I have bought in 2024 at the end. Okay, whatever you can see all around me, that I have created in last 2 years with a lot of gratitude practices, and by changing my energy, by working on my energy, by doing some kind of inner work, meditation, healing. Okay, so I completely healed myself. Not completely, because I am work in progress. I'm my biggest project. I'm my biggest treasure. I'm working on myself. The work is in progress, right? So, everything is a result of this magic book. So this is the thing that has created. Now, I didn't have even a single house. Single house nahi tha 20 सालों से. I was living in a rented house. And now you won't believe I have 3 houses, and all the 3 houses are on my name. ये वाला जो घर है ये भी मेरे नाम पे है, जो वो सोनीपत हरियाणा वाला घर है वो भी मेरे नाम पे, और अभी एक और घर लिया है गुड़गांव में, दैट इज ऑल्सो माय नेम. 3 houses. आई डोंट नो हाउ इज इट हैपनिंग. और अभी आज का ही देख लो. सोम्या, यू केम फ्रॉम नोवेयर. श्रेष्ठा, यू केम फ्रॉम नोवेयर. आउट ऑफ नोवेयर द पीपल केम. आई कुड नॉट इवन इमेजिन कि ये हुआ कैसे. And I was not expecting Kulvinder as well. Like I was expecting 3, 4, 5 people. But see how many people are there. And from where all of you people are coming. And for one-on-one also. For my one-on-one also. Like unknown people are coming. I'm just doing my work. Because do the damn work. Keep your head down and do the damn work. Because I started feeling like I'm the universe's favorite child. I am the chosen one. I always repeat it. I am the chosen one. I am the chosen one. I am universe's favorite child. I am universe's favorite child. Yeah, universe कितना प्यार करता है मुझसे. I keep on repeating ना, so that's why all these things are happening. वो शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग याद है ना, किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो the whole world will conspire to make it happen for you. So that is true. That is true for me. And that is true for everyone. किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो, तभी तो वो अपने एक एरिया है ना, उसको शिद्दत से चाहो तो वो द होल यूनिवर्स विल कंस्पायर, और पूरी जान लगा देगा वो यूनिवर्स आपके लिए. बस यूनिवर्स की एक शर्त है कि द फर्स्ट स्टेप यू विल हैव टू टेक. फर्स्ट स्टेप तो आपको लेना पड़ेगा अपने लिए, खुद के लिए. बिकॉज गॉड हेल्प्स दोज पीपल हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स. जब आप अपने लिए फर्स्ट स्टेप नहीं लोगे तो यूनिवर्स इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. Right? Okay. So Shesha, this shine is for because of this light only. Because for few days now I have changed my place because my son has come for 2 months. So he's in Patiala Thapad University. No, we know उसकी vacation चल रही है, summer vacation. So my setup is in another room. So for the time being, I have changed this setup. So I'm managing with this lamp and all everything.
No, ma'am, it's not because of light. I have met you physically. So you
Yeah.
have that glow. I still remember your eyes are so hypnotic.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. So let me share. Yeah. So this is the book that you all have to purchase, and I will also share the PDF of this book in the group. Okay. So this is the book, The Magic. So we will start from here. Yes. I want to start from the very, very beginning, very beginning. Yes, this is the beginning. From here, we are going to read each and everything, every single word we are going to read, right? So see, by this means you will acquire the glory of the whole world. By this means, by what means? By this means, with the help of this book, you will acquire the glory of the whole world. This book has that much power. So this is so powerful, so powerful. So by this means you will acquire the glory of the whole world. पूरे संसार की कायनात आपके आगे आ जाएगी. Dedicated to you. So who is the writer of this book? Rhonda Byrne. Okay. So Rhonda Byrne is saying dedicated to you people. So may the magic open up a new world for you and bring you joy for your entire existence. This is my intention for you and for the whole world. So this is the intention of the Rhonda Byrne. Okay. So now acknowledgement. What is acknowledgement? So whenever we start anything new, so we have to acknowledge. We have to acknowledge who are the people. Okay, so who are the people? Those who have created all these things with us, like this building. This building is not the creation of one person or two person or three people. So this is the creation of so many people. Can you guys imagine when the building is made? Okay, so this is the contribution of hundreds and thousands of people. This is not the creation of 5, 10 like people. So when a building is created, 100-story building, 50-story building, it is the creation of so many people, like so many engineers we need, so many masons we need, so many, those who work, carpenter, engineers, electricians, plumbers. Okay, so many people like we need. Whenever there is a creation of any new thing, so we need so many people. And similarly, when a book is written, so we need a author, writer, publisher. Okay, जो उसका outer cover डिजाइन करे, जो उसका inner cover डिजाइन करे, okay, जो उसको publish करे. Okay, so we need so many people. So any creation is not the creation of one or two people. So it is the creation of so many people. Okay. So 10 more minutes and we will be reading this acknowledgement part only. So rest of the things we will start tomorrow. Okay. Next thing we will start tomorrow. So when I first sit down to write a book, so Rhonda Byrne is saying, when I first sit down to write a book, the creation begins as a joyful yet solitary one. There is just the universe and me. So whenever I write a book, so universe is sitting with me and I am sitting with the universe. Okay, but later on, then gradually the circle begins to widen, encompassing more and more people, all of whom contribute their expertise until finally you are holding the creation of a new book in your hands. The following people were a part of the ever widening circle of creation that allowed the magic to reach you. See, this is not the creation of universe and me. This is the creation of so many people. Okay, so she is acknowledging each and every person who were involved in writing this book. Okay, so she is writing, thank you to my daughter Sky, who worked tirelessly side by side with me, editing, along with Josh Gold, who contributed his scientific knowledge and research skills to help me unite the discoveries of science with the words of religion. So this book has nothing to do with religion. It has everything in this book. This is the Bible. This is the Quran. This is the Guru Granth Sahib. This is Bhagavad Gita. This is the nichod of each and every book. So it has nothing to do with politics. It has nothing to do with religion. So this book is teaching us that how we have to be thankful. So this word thank you has a lot of power. So the more you say thank you, the more you will attract beautiful things, beautiful people, beautiful situations around you. So start saying this small habit. It really, really very powerful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Why are we saying thank you 3 times? So this number 3 is very powerful. This 3 number is very, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. So this is the creation number 3. And whenever a child is born, so a child is also the creation of 2 people, mother, father, and the child. Like 3 are involved. Okay. So this 3 is the creation number. So that's why we have to say thank you 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Thanks to my editor, Cindy Black from Beyond Words, for her straightforward editing approach and probing questions which have made me a better writer. Thanks to Nick George for his creative vision, which captured the magic through the interior graphics and the front cover. See, front cover, somebody did interior graphics, somebody wrote the book, somebody editing part, like so many things were there. So she is acknowledging each and every person who were involved to write this book. To Shamus Hoyer and Carla Thornton. So these are very, very typical names. So you can read out later on as well. Otherwise, it is not necessary to read each and every word correctly. So I'm just giving you the context, like what is the perspective of telling all these things by the Rhonda Byrne. To Shamus Hoyer and Carla Thornton at Gozer Media, thanks for the final production of the graphics and the layout of the book. See, graphics, layout, oh my God, so many things are there. Thanks to the secret team who helped me take a new book into the world and who are backbone of my work. In particular, my sister Jan Child, who heads up the entire publishing team. Andrea Kerr, who heads up our colossal creative team. Paul Harrington and my sister Glenda Bell, who teamed up with photographer Raphael Kilpatrick and the rest of our team to create the magical pictures in this book. So see, there are many pictures also in this book. And thanks to the other secret team members. Before that, Rhonda Byrne made a movie, Secret. So that is going to be your homework. So everybody, before joining tomorrow's session, you have to watch that movie, The Secret. Okay. The secret team members whose behind the scenes work is invaluable. Don Zyke, Mark O'Connor, Mike Gardiner, Laurie Sherapov, Corey Johansson, Chai Lee, Peter Byrne, and my daughter Halle. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my publishers, Atria Books and Simon and Schuster, to Caroline Reddy, Judith Kerr, Darlene DeLelio, Twiston Fan, James Pervin, Kimberly Goldstein, and Isolde Sior. I am blessed to have such an amazing team of people. Thank you, thank you, thank you to Angel, Martin Velios for his spiritual guidance, love, and wisdom, to my sister Pauline Vernon, and my dearest friends and family for their continued support and enthusiasm for my work. And with the deepest gratitude to those great human beings of centuries ago who discovered the truth of life and who left their written words so that we might discover them at exactly the right time. That indefinable, life changing moment when we have the eyes to see and the ears to hear. Okay, so she's acknowledging each and every person, all the scientists, those who were there centuries ago, those who discovered the truths of life. Okay, because this book starts with a riddle. So these all are the chapters that I'll be letting you know tomorrow, that how many chapters are there. So this book has 28 chapters, 28 beautiful chapters. Okay, so that we will do tomorrow. So we will start from contents tomorrow, right? So yes, if you have any question, you can ask me right